Time for another recipe here on Realize Guyana, my friends. Welcome to our channel once again, Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. So today's dish, we're going to be making dal rice and stew saltfish. Very traditional Guyanese food. Especially on a Sunday, this is a nice meal to have. So today we're going to be making that, guys. We have our saltfish there. We have our rice, onion, tomato, garlic, pepper, scallions, and salt and turmeric, of course. So that's our ingredients, guys. So let's get started with this dish. You're getting hungry already thinking about this. So to begin with for this dish, guys, we put on our water here to heat up for our rice. And this here we heat up some water to boil the saltfish, boil the salt out of the saltfish. And this spot at the back here, this spot is for the dal. Heating up some water there for the dal as well. So we got everything going here, all the water heating up. Saltfish, rice, and dal. So of course, first you want to wash off all the salt in the saltfish. Get out some of that before you start to boil it. And of course we will be linking the recipes down below this video, guys. Check that out. So once you've washed out the salt from your saltfish, you're going to put them there to boil. So next we're going to wash the dal and put that to boil because you know these take some time. So the water for the dal is already bubbling away, boiling. So these stuff that take a little while to cook, you're gonna do them first. Don't get ahead on time a bit. So we're adding viri pepper, one viri pepper to the dal. We're gonna add some garlic. So all the information, as I said, guys, will be in the description box below the video. So we added all the garlic in here except for one clove, which we're gonna use at the end to truncate the dal. I'll add some turmeric, some salt. And you would usually add a little bit of curry powder, about a half a teaspoon. So we will remove all the froth that was there. So we cover that back now, let it do its thing, and we're gonna go work on other stuff. So the rice is next. The water is heating up as well, as you saw. Alright, so we have all three things are in. Cooking now. We have the dal, the rice, and the saltfish, which hasn't boiled as yet. So while those three are boiling away, we're gonna get our scallion and the other stuff ready. So this is a huge onion, guys. We're only gonna use half of this. And that's our viri pepper. And our tomato. So that's it, guys. That's everything. We prepared the onions, the tomato, pepper, and the scallions. And we just gotta wait for the rest of the stuff to boil. Alright, so we got everything boiling away now, guys. The saltfish has started boiling. We have the rice is boiling and the dal. The dal is boiling as well. So there you go. So we'll see you in a bit. So we're gonna be boiling by the way, we're gonna be boiling the saltfish for 10 minutes, 2 times. So that's how many times you normally boil this to get as much salt as you can out of it. So see you in a bit, guys. So it's been 10 minutes for our saltfish, guys, and I said we're gonna be boiling this 2 times for 10 minutes each. So we're gonna remove this water that is boiling now, and we're gonna boil it for another 10 minutes in fresh water. So adding our fresh water now for another 10 minutes. Our rice and dal is still boiling. So So saltfish is finished boiling. We're gonna take that out. So we're gonna strain our rice. Done. Now we're gonna leave that to drain out there. So our dal is looking good already. Look at that. So while our dal is still boiling, we're gonna wash out this karahi and we're gonna do the saltfish in the same karahi. So our liquid is dried out a bit and we're adding about a half cup. So if you see that happening, you can just add a little bit of water. So this karahi is being washed all ready to go to fry the saltfish in. Adding some oil. So your saltfish after it's boiled, guys, you just want to break it up a bit like that. Not too fine, but just break it up a bit. Okay, like that. So our oil is hot. In goes the onion at first. And you want to fry this up a little bit, guys. To get a little bit of color on the onion. Release some aromas, some flavors. So now we're gonna slice up that last clove of garlic we left to chunkade the dal, right? You know you gotta chunkade the dal. So you wanna slice this up thin. Not paper thin, but thin. So now time to add the tomatoes. And the scallion and the pepper. So we just left a couple pieces of tomato there to add on top. So we have fried it up for about a minute and a half or so. And now we're going to add our saltfish. Wow, that's smelling lovely already, guys. So it's time to sizzle the dal, guys. So your dal chutney, or you can use one of those immersion blenders, which we use sometimes. You want for gote the dal. This is the gote in the dal. The dal that wasn't fully boiled and crushed. So this is used to crush it up, real old school way. So there's one more step to our dal. So we're adding some roasted ground jeera now with our dal. Give it the next little goatee. Yes, in case you forget that word, goatee, that's what it's called when you do this. Goatee the dal. So we're gonna bust our pepper, bust the pepper in here. So of course if you can't handle the hot pepper, you don't do this way. And then you give it the next little goatee. Wow, I can taste that already. Looking at that, right? Thick and creamy dal. So we're gonna add our oil now to fry the garlic to truncate it out. Just a little turn here now. So our saltfish is basically done here, guys. I'm just waiting on the oil to heat up a bit to truncate it out. We're gonna add our garlic and jeera, of course, whole cumin seeds there. So you want to get a little color on your garlic and your jeera. Fry up a little bit. See, the garlic is starting to change color already. So we transport it to the dabo, which is the traditional way, of course. And that's hot and fried. And there you go. Hear that? That's the sound of deliciousness. So once you cover, you chunkate it out, you want to leave the pot covered for a bit for the flavors to infuse with your dal. So we're all done, guys. Our stew saltfish, our dal and our rice is done. And here is our finished product. Real traditional Guyanese dish, guys, especially on Sundays. We will make this. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.